Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today we'll be making cheese cubes fried in coconut oil using organic ingredients so they can be put first as an appetizer for your guests instead of like in a restaurant they give you just plain bread. Where are the nutrients? At least this is protein from the cheese and the eggs, and it's more flavorful and it won't fill you up before your meal. Ingredients you'll need are spelt breadcrumbs, 2 whole eggs from pasture-raised chickens, white baker's flour unbleached, 3 cheeses, I'm using cheddar, mozzarella and feta, a quarter cup of full-fat unhomogenized milk, and herbs are sea salt, turmeric, oregano, chili and cayenne pepper. You're meant to use garlic powder, but I couldn't find any, so I used garlic granules. It's almost the same, but you can just get normal garlic and grate it finely. You'll need a deep fry with coconut oil and a baking tray with baking paper at the bottom to freeze them in. Step 1. Combine the milk and the eggs and whisk until the milk dissolves and you get a yellow pasty goo. Step 2. Combine the herbs with the breadcrumbs. I used a whole packet of breadcrumbs, which is roughly 2 cups, but it needed way more herbs, so I combined the herbs generously so you get enough flavor. Step 3. Now dip each cheese cube into the flour first, coating it generously. You don't want to see any yellow. Then into the egg coating, all the sides. We don't want to see white. Then the breadcrumbs, and then they should look like this. Continue until you're finished or your baking tray is full. You're going to have leftover cheese cubes and batter, so just get another baking tray or stack them on top of each other. I don't know if they'll stick though. Step 4. Here are mine done. Now place the tray in the freezer for an hour or 2 so the cheese infuses with the breadcrumbs, so when we fry them they don't fall apart, hopefully. Step 5. Turn the deep fryer on to melt the coconut oil. Then grab the beautiful cheese cubes from the freezer, then put a few at a time to start to see what happens. Fry for a minute or 2, they should float once cooked. I tested one, but if you put too many in you won't see them because of the bubbling. So time a minute, then use your frying spatula thing to remove them, and you'll see when they're brown, they're ready. Some will have melted cheese coming out of them. Then take them out and put them on a plate with a paper towel to absorb any excess coconut oil. I gotta say they're fucking delicious, and with ketchup as a dipping sauce, they're even tastier. Serve and enjoy while you wait to be served your big meal. Maybe a large porterhouse steak with gravy. Remember that these are allowed post-workout as your body processes carbs differently when your muscles are recovering. So eating at the right time is more beneficial than exercise. As they say, it makes up 90% of your workout. As always, enjoy and be seeing you for more delicious meals made purely with organic ingredients.